Okay, in this one we're going to do the upper ball joint. So again, we've greased it already. This one only has one grease nipple in the top, so orientation is less important. Just find it a happy spot. We're going to use this guy on the top. We're just going to set it here like that and push to the center of it. For the bottom, we're going to use this little tapered adapter again. And we're going to use this guy right here to give us a little bit of space on the taper adapter maybe. Actually, you know what? I don't really think we need him. Yeah, I think we just go straight to the taper adapter. So the taper adapter will sit right into this. So yeah, we're just going to go straight for the taper adapter. Okay, so put the skinny side back towards the inside of the C. And then, there you go. And then put that there. This is going to go here. Got to get this guy down a little further first. I backed it out a little too far. Don't push on the very center. You want to push on the outside edge of this casing. If you push on the very center, what will happen is you'll just push through and break the ball joint. And you don't want to do that. Get it all lined up good here. Make sure it's all lined up good right there. Okay, there we go. Okay, now everything's all lined up. Again, I'm going to use the impact. Again, it says not to. So, just hold on to this and... There we go. Ignore that, a wrench fell off the workbench here. Okay, so that works perfectly, and don't stop until this flange here at the top is actually seated all the way down against the knuckle, or the C, I mean. So if you stop and you leave a gap right here, that's going to cause a problem. You don't want to do that. And then wipe the excess grease off of your boot. There we go. Clean up your mess. All right, so there you go. You have an upper and a lower ball joint installed. And your next step is to reassemble everything you took apart to get to here. So it's not too difficult to do.